Bench and pedestal grinding wheel. Comprehensive guide.
What bench and pedestal grinding wheels? Bench and pedestal grinding wheels are abrasive wheels mounted on a bench grinder or pedestal grinder. These machines are typically stationary and equipped with powerful motors to rotate the wheels at high speed. The wheels are used for tasks such as sharpening tools like tweezers, drill bits, and cutting blades, deburring edge, metal or woodwork, grinding wide seams to ensure smooth finish, removing rust or paint from the metal surface. Types of bench and pedestal grinding wheels. Aluminum oxide wheels, best for grinding high tensile materials like steel and stainless steel, available in various grades. Set for coarse or fine grinding. Silicon carbide wheels, added for non-ferrous metals like brass, aluminum, and softer materials. Also suitable for sharpening carbide-tipped tools. Ceramic grinding wheels, long-lasting and capable of handling heavy-duty applications. Excellent for high-precision grinding.